Welcome to the channel Yijan family. If you believe in Yijan, it really exists. You are family, but if you don't believe, it's up to you. But if I believe Yijan is real, welcome to the Yijan family. Yibo posted a picture on Weibo that, when zoomed in, was a picture of a movie ticket. Promoting the movie The Legend of the Condor Heroes for Zizan, because Yibo doesn't have a movie released. Just like Zizan used to promote the movie Hidden Blade given to Yibo on the 28th of January 2023 during Chinese New Year as well. The same family. Helps each other make a living. Nothing is a coincidence. Starting on the 21st of January 2025 it's been exactly 8 days. Zizan responds to China's Internet Audiovisual Work organized by the National Broadcasting and Television Administration of China. With the caption, "Say goodbye to the old and welcome the new. Sing with all your heart and move forward into a new era. Go all out." It will be broadcast on the 24th of January 2025 at 8 p.m. Yibo has accepted the job successfully. This will be the second event of the two of them working together. Stay tuned. I'm excited again. A couple event. But this event is not a live show. It is a pre-recorded video. Zizan recorded it on the 1st of August 2025. As for Yibo, date the 1st of October 2025, but it will be broadcast on the 24th of January 2025 _wait to follow. Zizan at the place held a press conference for the movie The Legend of the Condor Heroes. There are many movies involved. Zizan, dressed in a handsome black suit, accompanied director Cheke and the cast to attend the promotions. Starts airing on the first day on the 29th of January 2025 _wait to follow. Before there will be a real live stream on the 23rd of January 2025 only for the Jade Dragon movie. Thank you for following Yijan Family Channel.